Bangs are the new Botox. Can you believe that? Let's find out why. Hi, I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, Medical Director and founder of Parsa Mohebi Hair Restoration. I'm Dr. Parsa Mohebi, the Celebrity Hair Transplant Surgeon. I'm going to tell you why bangs are the new Botox. We're going to find out together. So this is a real story. My patient yesterday came to me and said, Dr. Mohebi, bangs are the new Botox. I said, what are you talking about? She said, you remember a couple of years ago I came to you and I have very thin hair in front, and this is a woman. She has male pattern baldness, which is like focused on front and top, and the back she has good quality hair. So we decided to give her a hair transplant, and she was very happy with that. But she came back, unlike many women who want to come back and come to the sides, she is committed to wear bang. And then she says that bang should be full and dense. So we do it a little bit differently when we're focusing on the bang. So instead of focusing on the hairline and gradually taper toward the back, we focus on the top, gradually taper toward the front, because you need a whole bunch of hair in the front, and then when you part from the top, you have to have good coverage. So that's besides the fact. So she is coming here and she said, Dr. Mohebi, I've had this allergic reaction to Botox and I cannot use Botox, and for that these bangs are saving my lives. I don't need the Botox because my beautiful bangs are covering my forehead and nobody can even see my forehead. My comment to her was that I personally love bangs. Always. I always recommend wearing bangs to people who can wear them, and I think they make people more youthful, and it creates that definition of a feminine face better. Because think about it, men have male pattern baldness. Caucasian men, the hairline goes up when they become adults and the corners go more back, because that V-shaped hairline that we always see is a typical male pattern hairline. It's not necessarily balding, it's just maturation of hairline. Women are different. Women, the hairline is either flat or curved on the corners. So if you design a hairline like a curvy on the corners, that's wrong for a man. But for women, it makes them more feminine, more youthful, more beautiful. Bang does the same thing. It just gets rid of that masculine hairline that some women may have. So bangs are good. If you don't have enough hair to wear bangs, hair transplant could be a great option for you. We could put a good number of hair on the top and everything can cover the front and give you that feminine, beautiful bang, and you may not need Botox anymore. I hope you learned about this video and you understood more about bangs and the importance of bangs and why it can help your aging process. If you have any other questions, put them in the comment section and don't forget to follow us on social media.